He just needs a little bit of help, man. Yes, please help. I wanted the cops to pose with this picture, and they wouldn't. Thank you very much. Yes, you look good.